A legal battle over the budgets of independent officers of the Yukon Legislative Assembly is over, with a judge finding in favor of the government. Monday's ruling is a loss for the territory's ombudsman and child and youth advocate who filed the petition. Chris Windeyer explains.
In an oral decision, Justice Edith Campbell ruled the Financial Administration Act takes precedence. That law contains what's called a paramountcy clause. It means the Financial Administration Act outweighs any other law in the event of a conflict. So what this ruling means is the Finance Department can edit the budgets of the independent officers. Campbell found that the Ombudsman and Child and Youth Advocate Acts were set up to provide those offices with greater financial independence, but she ruled those laws contain no language that explicitly exempts them from the Financial Administration Act. Ombudsman Jason Pedler says he's disappointed by the ruling, but he says he understands Campbell's reasoning.
I think we will be presenting to the Member Services Board the need for the clarity. And so this is just a technicality, a conflict of the acts, and we want our Ombudsman Act and Child Youth Advocate Act amended as soon as possible to deal with the issue.
Still, Campbell said the independent officers brought an important issue before the courts. She says there is a need for more clarity, but it's up to the legislature to change the rules. Child and Youth Advocate Annette King says that's the bright side to the ruling.
Well, we've been dealing with uncertainty in our budgets for the last several months, and we needed this decision to be able to know our next steps forward in this path. And now we do know. It's up to the Legislative Assembly to correct the gaps in the legislation.
In a statement, the Cabinet Office says it's pleased with the ruling. Chris Windeyer, CBC News, Whitehorse.